Just for reference, put fresh batteries in that one and in that one. So at least that works. I've also put fresh batteries in this one. There's a lot of corrosion, so I'm not 100% sure whether putting new batteries in there will have actually helped. But it doesn't respond. If we just turn that one off so we don't get confused, it doesn't respond to 40 megahertz. I've also put fresh batteries in this one, which is 27 megahertz. The old batteries were pretty crusty, but this one's not responding to 27 megahertz either. So we're going to have a look inside, see what we've actually got in there, because it could even be infrared. It's always a possibility. I don't think so, though. I think there was an aerial sticking up just there. Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop for £1.50, and it does say no motor, hand play only. I've took the battery cover off. It's very corroded in there where the batteries should have been. I've put 3 fresh batteries in there, but so say there's a fair bit of corrosion, so they may not be making good contact, but it doesn't respond to the 27 megahertz transmitter that I've got, or the 40 megahertz transmitter that I've got. So we'll have a look inside. I'll be surprised if there's no motor in there, but that might be the case. Obviously it's part of a matched pair. You wouldn't have a bumper car on its own like this, and we don't have the other one to go with it. Yes, there's a motor there, and a little controller, and another motor there for the steering. That looks to me like a 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Looking at the receiver, the crystal is 12,000. I reckon this is a 2.4 gigahertz receiver. The main reason I think that is the short length of the aerial. That's fairly common on 2.4 gigahertz. TH3056R. I will just measure this side of the battery box, see if we've actually got any power coming out of it. But we can't really go any further. You'll never get another 2.4 gigahertz to bind with it unless it's actually the matched transmitter for the receiver. That's been a real pain, toy grade, going to 2.4 gigahertz. You used to be able to get a 27 megahertz to match most 27 megahertz receivers, but not 2.4. Oh, while we've got it open, we can see the release mechanism. If I just push that, there you go, that releases the driver. Oh, dropped him on the floor. Yeah, so if nothing else, we got motor and gearbox there, and motor and steering gearbox at the other end. So 2 motors. Right, 1 battery, 2 batteries, not 3 batteries. That's what we should have. We've got a very bad battery contact there. Probably give it a bath in vinegar to clean it off, and then put some grease on it to stop it rusting again. That's better. Right, got it all the way through now. Oh, we had sound effect then, because one of those bits there holds those contacts together. So when the guy's ejected, he squeals. Lovely. But we haven't got any lights on. The lights probably only come on when it's bound to the transmitter, I expect. I don't know. I would have thought the lights would have come on. Wiring's intact. Let's double check we're actually getting the voltage through again. Yeah, voltage is there. Oh, I'm getting a slightest little flicker on those LEDs as I'm going backwards and forwards with the on-off. I'll stop doing it now. So if we try to replace that receiver with the one out of here, which will be a bit bigger, we might be struggling. We'll look at that in a separate video. We've taken it apart. We've established it has got motors in it. It's actually got 2 motors in it, and it looks like it's 2.4 gigahertz to me. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.